Vince Salvatore, Aikido of Reno, Peace Dojo. Today we're having our survival challenge, and we're saying Peace Dojo. It's not violence. I'm going to hand an attacker. We're talking about how to deal with violence in an intelligent way. Every month we have one of these challenges, and we'd love to see you, your family, or a friend. And we're trying to educate you, and the biggest thing is awareness. So we usually hit it from several different ways, and you're always welcome. And the principles are based on Aikido and being smart in conflict. Thank you. I hope to see you.
Hey!